Alright guys, we are starting our second day of turkey hunting. Seen some birds from the road, so we're gonna try and make a loop on them. A bunch of birds. So this is gonna get interesting. We got about a mile to travel, we estimate, through the woods to get to them, but start working our way there. Y'all hang on. God almighty. These are those hills you're talking about. You gotta lean forward to go up. Like y'all can tell, we're at 800 feet right here. We're going down there. It's a 300-foot drop straight down. So probably gonna be walking to here and then getting on our butts and sliding down. Because that's where we gotta go. And there's no tapering line, so that's the only option. So we're starting this descent. And my uncle just told me to make sure there's a tree in front of you, because when you fall and start sliding, there'll be something for you to grab. It's just great advice. Next tree. You know, think you can just like run down this. You can't. There's rocks, and every step you take, they slide. You made it. Hit that snake in the head. Yeah. I don't know. Don't get wet, don't get wet, don't get wet. Oh my. I've rolled them up, but they keep falling. The other one don't fall. Oh. God, that's cold. Turkeys are over that lip, y'all. Alright guys, we've seen a bunch of birds from the road. Like 7 longbeards. They're in this field that's on the top here. We had to travel 1.5 miles to get here. But we're easing up here now. We've been walking for 1.5 hours. Let's see if we get one. we're walking on the edge of these fields, we stay in the shade. That way if you see a bird, it don't scare them as bad. Yeah, y'all see the birds. They're by that tree on the other side there. That's the ones we're after. Yeah, I see 4 now. They're coming this way. Yeah, they're coming this way. That's probably that group of 6. So what we seen by the road was 6 gobblers together. And then down 100 yards down, there's 3 more. So we've come over here to go after them. That's where we're at. They're on that giant hill on the other side. So, let's see what happens. Alright guys, last we seen from the other side, these birds were just over this hill by that tree. So we're hoping they're somewhere right here. They're putting the decoys together. They're gonna try to ease and just top that hill right there. Just top that hill. See if we can pull them to us. Kill a bird. Bird should be out here. Grab his head. Grab his head. Danny, grab his head. Bird down. I love Tennessee. Oh my God. Love it, love it, love it. So we set this decoy out, called the gobble one time, and then he was on call and located him again. And when he called, I seen him running down the side of the fence. And he shot the one that's got the biggest beard. Getting out of here with that bird. Now the work begins. Long way. Love Tennessee. Golly, that's a big bird. Big old bird, y'all. That is awesome. We can go back over to where our stuff is. Pack him out. And start heading out. Got about a 2-mile walk. It's gonna be fun. Got a hole in his tail.
I think he got a feather missing.
Okay. Ready? Alright, here he is all stretched out, y'all. 3-year-old bird. Got about 11-inch beard. 1.25-inch spurs.
14.
Then he in his new 410. Did the job. Pretty bird. I mean, pretty bird. Good beard on him. I mean, a good one.
Spurs.
Spurs look good. Fine bird. Fine bird. That one right there's kind of rubbed off a little bit.
I broke it in the shark.
Yeah. Fine bird. So, we got one more to get till we be limited out. We're gonna try to get him. Moving. Alright guys, that's a wrap on day 2. We are headed out. Did get a bird. Should have got other birds, but didn't. Seen a bunch. Anyway, we got about a 1.5 mile hike over the mountains. So, I will see y'all tomorrow.